Stars have captured our imaginations for as long as we've been looking up at the sky. But the truth is, they're more than just pretty lights. They're the building blocks of the universe, the engines of creation and destruction that have shaped everything we see around us. The story of stars begins in clouds of gas and dust known as nebulas. Here, gravity slowly pulls the material together, creating denser and denser pockets until a protostar is born. At this point, the protostar is not yet hot enough to sustain nuclear fusion, but as it continues to contract, the temperature and pressure in its core begin to rise. Eventually, the conditions become just right for fusion to ignite, and the star begins to shine. For most of a star's life, it will simply burn steadily, fusing hydrogen into helium and radiating energy out into space. But eventually, the hydrogen in its core will begin to run out, and the star will enter a new phase. As the star runs out of fuel, its core will begin to contract and heat up, causing the outer layers to expand and cool. The star will swell into a red giant, many times larger than it was before. Eventually, the red giant will shed its outer layers in a beautiful display known as a planetary nebula, leaving behind a hot, dense core known as a white dwarf. But not all stars end this way. In some cases, a massive star will explode in a catastrophic event known as a supernova, scattering its material across the universe and leaving behind a neutron star or black hole. The death of a star can be violent and awe-inspiring, but it's also an essential part of the cosmic cycle. The material released by these explosions will go on to form new stars, planets, and even life. From their humble beginnings in nebulas to their explosive deaths as supernovas, stars are the engines that drive the universe forward. And as we continue to explore and understand their mysteries, we deepen our appreciation for the incredible beauty and complexity of the cosmos.